Thank you for joining us at 2cutebeads.com today. We've had a lot of people inquire about what we do to make our Lariat slide necklaces. And because I am just loving the fine rock tubes from Swarovski, I am going to show you how I created it and how we use and make all of our Lariat slides. I'm using chain number 24, which is a 1.5 Rolo, and I like to pull ours over our head, but you also can use less chain and put a clasp on the back if you choose. So I'm going to cut 24 inches of our Rolo chain. And this is our slider. And to assemble the slider, all we do is take the front, we put in the spring, we line up the back in here, and we push. And I sometimes like to take my round nose and make sure I have it all together nicely, because I have to drop the 2 chains through there. So here are my 2 chains. And if you find you have a hard time with a chain, you can weave them together, and with just a piece of your Beadalon 15, you can use it on the ends and weave it through, but you just push it through. Make sure you get both chains through here. Now it's on. Then I'm going to take a 22 gauge 2-inch head pin, load on my multi-cut saucer, a 5mm jet saucer, my fine rocks tube, saucer, my sterling silver multi-cut saucer, my round nose, making an earring wrap, bring it towards me, away from me, straighten my tool, under, and I stop right here, load my chain on, bring it up, grab it, wrap down. On this one I'm going to do 2 wraps. Nip off the excess wire. Repeat on the other. Again, it's with my multi-cut saucer, jet saucer, fine rocks tube. This one is in the silver chrome. Same thing again. Stop. Add my chain. Pull it up. Wrap my head pin 2 times. Nip off my excess wire. And this one I can put right on over my head. It's longer. I can adjust it any way that I want to adjust it. We've done this necklace with leather. We've done this necklace with, just about everything we can get our hands on. We have used the pears. We have used the spike beads. We've used our Murano beads. We wear lariats a lot. If you want a shorter necklace, you can just use this to adjust. And then what we do is we size it, and by just adding a lobster claw, we can make it shorter, and then we can clasp it in the back and just have our dangles and adjust them any way we want to. But we do a lot of different designs with our crystal slider. And again, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for joining us at 2cutebeads.com.